Have you been thinking about becoming a data analyst, or have you been somewhere and hear about the word data analyst? Well, I don't just want you to jump into the idea. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 things that you should consider before becoming a data analyst. Are you ready? Let's dive into the video. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Peter. On this channel, I share videos about study tips, I share videos about student life and statistics in general. If this is the kind of content you always love to see, I would like you to subscribe to the YouTube channel and be part of this wonderful family. The first thing you should consider as a person before jumping into the career of becoming a data analyst, you first need to understand the salary expectation. Meaning your salary expectation should not be that much high, because data analyst does not really just earn that much money as equal to software engineer, as equal to other professions. So you being aware of a salary level of a data analyst before jumping into the work, because if you meet up with the work and the work becomes so intense and you find out that you are not making that much money as equal to other people or other professions, it somehow serve as a discouragement for you. So it's about time you got up together, you understand the salary differences before jumping into becoming a data analyst. Well, the next thing you should consider before jumping into becoming a data analyst is you should be aware of dashboards. When we say dashboards, that is data visualization. You should be someone who is used to seeing graphs. You should be someone who is used to seeing charts. You should be someone who is used to seeing bar charts, histogram graphs, and all the different kinds of graphs. Because as for a data analyst, these are things that you'll be playing with it on a daily basis. You'll be playing with so many softwares that have to do with data visualization. Software like Tableau, software like Power BI, software like Excel, software like Python or R in terms of programming. These are software you'll be dealing with in order to build dashboards for data visualization. So if you are not someone who loves to see data visualization, you are not someone who loves to see dashboard, it's about time you quit the idea of becoming a data analyst and pursue different career. Now the third point is you will work with so many softwares. Now this third point is just related to the second point. Now so many softwares, you will work with them. So you should be willing to work with all of these softwares when the time comes. For example, you might be used to working with Excel and then you move to the next company. The next company is used to working with, let's say they are used to working with Python, or they use Python for their programming language. They do all of their analysis in Python. It's about time you're getting used to how well you can work with Python. You don't have no idea on Python, so you have to follow so many tutorials. You have to take online course in order to learn Python, in order to do your data analysis just in Python like you were doing in Excel. So you'll be dealing with so many software, so you stand the chance of learning almost most of this statistical software or most of the data analysis software that you'll be able to use in order to come up with your insights from your data. Now the last part I have to talk about is in data analysis, the learning does not stop. So it's like you keep learning on a daily basis. So every single time you are learning, like I said, from the third point, you have so many softwares that you are working with. Now, what in case you work with a new software that you don't know about at all? Or for example, you're working with Excel and you find out that you go to another entity and they tell you, no, we don't work with Excel here in terms of data analysis. We work with XPSS. So it's about time now you start another journey of learning. So your learning will never stop. So if you are someone who sometimes get bored with all of the learning throughout, or you are someone who get tired with learning on every other single basis, it's about time you start following different career instead of data analysis. Because for data analysis, the learning never ends. You will be learning on a single basis. Now with the introduction of AI, it's about time how well a data analyst can use AI to complement their work. So there's another learning trend again which have popped up in terms of AI. Now we don't want for AI to overthrow data analysts in terms of analyzing data. It's about time now how can you use AI to complement your work. Another learning journey has started. So it's about time you start getting adjusted with learning new things on a daily basis. With that, you will become a good and a very well data analyst. Well, that's all I have for you in today's video. We listed 4 things that you should consider before becoming a data analyst. With these 4 things, you are able to, I can promise you, with these 4 things, you will be a very good and a unique data analyst. Considering these 4 things will make you to be at here and while others are here. Thank you so much. If you love this video, you all would like to subscribe and just drop it in the comment section, whatever you feel about the video. Do you think that some of the points that are listed here are really essential in terms of data analysis? I want that in the comment section. Bye bye.